Hi, folks. It is a good morning. Welcome back to Inside Minds FX. I will humbly request to all of you guys to take a moment. Please pause the video and make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel. Subscribe कीजिए. In this video, we're going to talk about order blocks in a great detail. So make sure to watch till the last moment.
I hope you guys are doing well in terms of your health and wealth. So first of all, I want to say thank you for your patience because I was unable to do any live stream or unable to post any kind of informative knowledge for all of you, my community. आपकी तहम्मुल मजाजी का शुक्रिया. In this video, we're going to talk about order blocks, and I want to make very sure if you give me your ears for next 5 to 6 minutes, the stuff will definitely go into your mind and will remain there for the rest of your career. So without wasting any moment, let's start. As you guys can see, this is the gold chart and the time frame right here is this, which is 4 hour. And now which broker I am using, lot of traders ask me, I'm using Wanda for the purpose of recording of this video, but actually in my trading I use forex.com. So I hope your confusion will be reduced at the moment. Right now everything starts from UTC -4, which is American local time. हर चीज यूएस के लोकल टाइम के साथ होती है और उसको आपको अपने टाइम को चेंज करने के लिए यूटीसी -4 पे ही जाना चाहिए. नाउ व्हाट इज ऑर्डर ब्लॉक? That's the main question. My dear friends and my dear community, order blocks is named as change in the state of delivery of price. Now, in this price fractal, let's assume we have, I am putting a little bit of bulb right there, little bit of light type scenario. I'm gonna highlight for everyone which fractal I want to talk about. I want to talk about this fractal which I just highlighted. Look at that. In this fractal, this was the swing high and this was the swing high, as you can see with the help of indicator of fractal highs and lows. There we go. This is a swing high, this was another swing high, and this was the last one swing high. So my dear friends and my dear sisters, first thing you have to understand before jumping into the concept of order block, where was your last most recent swing high? Which was that one? Pick that one. Look at that. Isn't it was in which I have put bulb? क्या ये वही नहीं है जिसके ऊपर मैंने recently bulb put किया है? आप देख सकते हैं. It is exactly that one. So my friend, second step is this. Do we have an energetic run up or slow price action? Definitely we have energetic run above this high, short term high. And now I want to remove these two lines because it was a bit confusing for a lot of students. Now look at this. Above this red line there was a huge displacement, as you guys can see. Look closely. I have zoomed in. Now this was displacement. Was there displacement? Definitely it was major price action. It was great. It was great in terms of volatility as well. Second thing which you have to look for is this. Are there multiple black down close candles? In my charts the color of the candle is black. In your charts it can be red. So there is no contrast in between them. I am using with my favorite colors. You can use them as well. There is only one black candle, as you can see. So where you have multiple black candles like this type of scenario, 1 2 3 4, and imagine that will be the latest point from where we can go up. अगर ये वो पॉइंट होता जहां से हम अप जाते, then we have to pick at the door. In this scenario we have to pick that one, but right now this was the recent swing low which made that jagged move up huge. So now we have to pick this only one. Which one? I gonna highlight it. This is the real 4 hours order block. And the third most important thing which people make a lot much confusion about is, oh, where from buy, where to sell from the order block. Look my friends, very closely. For that purpose you have to look at this open, high, low and close. What is the opening price of this candle? You have to look at this O where I am putting my arrow of the mouse. The opening price is 2342.995. It can be little bit different because of the broker's manipulation. So I gonna utilize my magnet, weak magnet, and I gonna utilize trend line. Where is the opening price? 2342.995. I gonna highlight it. Look at that with the blue color. This was what? OB positive. This is not a blood group, by the way. This is OB positive, means positive stands for in which order block we gonna see a buy reaction. OB positive, this is the opening price. Opening and the 50%. These two are the very crucial points of your order blocks. Next thing, for finding out the mean threshold, you have to pick order blocks opening and then take it to the bottom of that candle. How supreme that it is. Look, the 50%. In best case scenarios, we don't want to see the candle closing below the 50% of the order block. I'm going to use different color for that, like red color. So this down one line which is in red color, I'm going to utilize my mean threshold. Any order block, whether it will be on 1 minute time frame, whether it will be on 5 hours, whatever time frame that it will be, you have to pick mean threshold and the order block opening. Chahe bullish order block ho, chahe bearish ho, whether it will be bullish or bearish, you can use this teaching for the both of concepts. 50% and the opening, both of them are too much crucial for us. You can take entry on the orders block opening, whether best entries will be around mean threshold order block. Can you miss entries if you want to pick 50% of the orders block type entry? Definitely you can. But I wanna make one thing very clear right here. मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज बिल्कुल clear करना चाहता हूँ. Don't take my words. You have to go into your charts and look for these things. You have to do little bit of back testing as well, and you have to motivate yourself, because you are the only one person which can put you into the new heights of success. So I request all of you, don't give up on trading. And my private mentorship will be launching soon for my foreigner students, especially Indian, US and Canada ones. And there's gonna be huge discount for you guys as well. Until next time, goodbye and be safe.